Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our video on special analysis. My name is Muhammad Zahin Ifrat bin Rizwan and my matrix card number is A23BE0256.
Hello, my name is Bartholomew Lois Legion. My matrix number is A23BE0060.
Hello, my name is James Gokming W. Alok and my matrix number is A23BE0136.
Introduction to Spatial Analysis. Spatial analysis is the examination of geographic data to uncover pattern, relationships, and insights related to spatial locations and features. Spatial analysis is widely used in fields such as geography, environmental science, urban planning, epidemiology, and many others to gain insight into the spatial aspect of the data.
Vector analysis, raster analysis, point in polygon, line in area, area on area. Here we go! Vector analysis. Vector analysis is basically a data model that uses xy as the coordinates. In a vector, there is some component or features that we have, such as point, line, polygon. So we are going to look at point. Point, it represents specific location on the Earth's surface. Second, line. It connects point to form linear feature like roads and river. Third, polygon. It represents features such as parcel, boundaries, or land cover type. Raster analysis. Raster analysis and vector analysis are quite similar. There are some significant variations. Raster analysis is the process of analyzing spatial information contained in grid dataset. It represents as a grid cell or pixels, unlike vector data, which uses point, line, polygon to represent their features. Raster data divide the area into a regular grid cell, where each cell has a specific value representing a certain attribute. For example, raster analysis can be performed in individual cells or a group of cells. Let's move to the next slide. So, in raster, there are several raster processing techniques you can use to analyze your data. Here are some of most popular. We have map, algebra, interpolation, and last, cost-path. We can see map algebra is a set of mathematical operations used to analyze raster data. Second, interpolation. Interpolation techniques estimate unknown values based on existing sample point. For the cost path, from a given source to a destination location, cost path, the analysis identify the most cost-effective path.
So, I will begin my explanation for my part, which is point in polygon. Point in polygon is a spatial operation in which points from one feature dataset are overlaid on the polygons of another to determine which points are contained within the polygons. For additional concepts, polygon on a map is a closed shape defined by connected sequence of x and y coordinate pairs, where the first and last coordinate pair are the same and all other pairs are unique. In ArcGIS software, a shape defined by one or more rings, where a ring is a path that starts and ends at the same point. If a polygon has more than one ring, the ring may be separate from one another or they may nest inside one another, but they may not overlap. Next, for point is a geometric element defined by a pair of x and y coordinates. So, when both of these elements combine, which is polygon and point, it will result in point in polygon. Thank you.
Next is line in area. Line in area typically refers to a linear feature that exists within or intersects a polygonal area. For instance, a road linear feature that passes through a city boundary a polygonal area would be considered a line in area. It's a way to describe spatial relationships between different types of geographic features. Last but not least, in spatial analysis, we have area on area. In GIS terminology, area on area refers to an operation involving two or more geographic areas. This can include tasks like overlay analysis, where intersection or union of two areas is calculated to derive new information. For an example, if there's a smaller lake represented as a polygon, completely surrounded by a larger reservoir that is a represent of another polygon, then the lake is an area on area of the reservoir. This spatial relationships is crucial for various GIS analysis and operations. That is all from us.